How to hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them. Hiding your Instagram post from someone without blocking them can be done by restricting the account. The restrict feature limits the person interaction with your account without notifying them. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After you're logged in, you have to go to the person's profile. You can either use the search bar to find the user that you want to restrict to limit the interaction, or you can simply go through your following list. Here, let's go with the search bar, and in the search bar, search for the account. Once you land in your profile, navigate to top right corner and tap on three dot. Here you will have a restrict option. You can simply tap on restrict from this menu bar. Now you will have this pop-up which explains what restricted does. Here what happens when you restrict someone. They won't see you when you're online or if you have read their direct message, and their comments on your post will only be visible to them unless you approve them. And they won't be notified about being restricted, so they don't know that you have restricted their account. Or if you want more control, considering setting your account to private and managing your followers list. To set your account to private account, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner, tap on three line icon, scroll down a bit and then tap on account privacy, and you can switch your account to private. Here, when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your post and your following list. Certain info on your profile, like your profile picture and username, is still visible to everyone on and off the Instagram. So that's the way to hide your Instagram post from someone without blocking them. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.